What is up? What is up? Back here again. Today I am part 2, testing out the reverse lights, rigid ignite, along with the harness. And I had recorded a test during the day, but what's the point of having bright lights if you can't even see how far they reach? So right now, the truck is in the on position. Truck is in park. Switch is off. As you can see, nothing is on. Now, throw it in reverse. Factory reverse lights come on. So, this will light up when the lights in the back are turned on. As you can see, factory reverse lights don't really do much. And I parked here because I figured this is how most parking lots are lit up. Some brighter than others. Now, let's switch it on actually. This is the on position for me. Down. As you can see, light is on. And right there, these little things are bright. They hurt my eyes. So, obviously, when it's darker, that'll reach out more. From what I could tell, it starts to dim out somewhere around here, maybe 20 feet back. So, I do want to get brighter ones for the factory ones still, for when I'm not using the lights. And put it in park. Light is still on. The reverse lights are still on, or the ignites are still on. So, whenever I want, on, off, on, off, on, off. And you can even see, actually, the wall is being lit up. On, off, on, off. Now, I switched it up to the auto. Still in park. Let's throw it in reverse. Bam. Light is on. And lights are on. They still hurt my eyes. So they're still pretty damn bright. Now, so I've got tinted windows. That glare is not helping any. But I could actually see behind my truck now. Let's see how it would look right here. There you go. From the mirror, you could actually see further back as compared. Turn it off. The reverse lights are still on. But there's pretty much very little to no light shining anywhere from my mirrors. Even right here on the floor. And from what I read and from what I've seen, these are just pretty much to indicate that you're reversing. They're not really meant to light up anything. So, if you want to light it up, pop it back on. And there you go. I'm loving these so far. That is super bright. I want to go somewhere where it's darker. See how bright they actually are. All right. Found myself a darker area. No lights back here. Bam. Perfect. So, right now I've got the switch off on the rigids. Let's see, throw it in reverse. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Forgot to put the e-brake. Well, as you can see, it does light up a little bit. Good thing that curb was there. Truck wasn't too far off. I would say maybe I'd be able to actually see. You can see my arm starts fading off around here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 feet. Not very bright. And from my truck, it's even less bright. I have 25% tint, or actually 50. 25 is on my car. So 50% on this one. Now, let's throw the switch on. See the difference? And right away, even with the tint, you could see a huge difference. Look at that. And that's with tinted window right there. So from here, I'll just back it off and let you guys see how much it lights up. There's my little truck. Yeah, you could pretty much see everything behind you now. They still hurt my eyes. So, I don't know how far this would be, but across the whole parking lot, I'll pretty much be able to see, and that's awesome. So whenever I'm in the trails anywhere, and I just want it to be lit up, I don't have to be in reverse. I can just throw it on the on position, all the way down. Truck's in park. And now it's just my rigid lights. So these are very powerful for these tiny little things. You saw them. Ooh, that is bright. So it says 1,000 lumens on the box, and I believe it. So if you're interested in getting a pair, I'm saying they're worth it, because when you're out in the darkness in the trails, don't want to get lost nowhere. And as you can see, oh, it's hard to focus, but even in my rear view mirror, I can see that tree back there. I love it. There's on my side mirror. It's awesome. Very simple to install. Just follow the instructions that you're given, and bam, bright in the front and bright in the back. Oh wait, there you go. I got the LEDs in front and LEDs in back. Oh damn, I keep forgetting to install my HIDs. I got my HIDs. Yeah. More than likely they will not be that blue-white color, because it comes with, I think, the factory style light bulbs, but they will be a lot more crisper. No dead spots like right here in the middle of my lights. Woo-wee. Oh, truck's coming. But yeah, these rigid lights are awesome. Next up will be my speedometer. It's quit working on me about a month ago. So if you want to see that one, subscribe or just find my page again. But it's easier if you just subscribe. That way you know where I'm at. And let's go. So yeah, I'll be throwing my HIDs on soon and fixing my speedometer, because as you can see, I'm going 0 miles per hour. I did figure out that around 2,500 RPMs on the 4th gear, overdrive gear, I'm at about 65 miles per hour. So freeway, I'm good. On the streets, I just follow the flow of traffic. But it'd be much better if I could actually tell how fast I'm going. So that's not too hard to do. If I'm lucky, I could just pull the cable out. Oh, can't see it. But, oh, there it is. That's half of the cable that I pulled out from behind the dash, because, oh, this is bumpy, because it had snapped in half, and that's why it stopped working. I got a new cable, found it in Napa, and we'll be installing that soon. Oh, I should stay in my lane. But yeah, guys, that's just the show right now. I hope you guys like the lights. I certainly do. And I would suggest them if you're looking for a set. They are a little pricey, so save your pennies. Or if you got Amazon gift cards, like I did, that's one way to get them too. Christmas was awesome. You guys keep wrenching, buddies. Have fun.